If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can insert an online video into a Word document from online sites like YouTube or Vimeo by inserting the online video's embed code. To insert an online video in Word from a video's URL or embed code, first copy the video's URL or embed code from the online video's website. Then place your insertion mark cursor at the location in the Word document where you want to insert the video. Then click the Insert tab in the ribbon. Then click the Online Videos button in the Media button group to open a dialog box. Then paste the URL or embed code into the Enter the address for the online video field in the dialog box, and then click the Insert button. The video is then inserted into the document. After inserting an online video, you can then work with the video the same way you can work with pictures in Word by using the Picture Format Contextual tab in the ribbon. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.